Hi guys, welcome to a Guru channel. In this video, we will discuss about previously asked gate or PSU network theory questions. In this channel, I will discuss electrical brief videos consisting concepts, theory, problems, and practical videos also. Before going to the video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. So in this problem, a voltage waveform of a battery is given. It is discharges with a constant current of 2 amperes. Calculate energy delivered. A voltage waveform of a battery is given and it is discharges with a constant current of 2 amperes. Calculate energy delivered. So for this we have to calculate the energy delivered to the energy delivered by the battery. So from the waveform, how we will approach this problem is we have to calculate the energy. So energy is nothing but the total amount of work done in a given time. So nothing but integration of power will gives us the energy. Energy is nothing but the total amount of work done in a given time. Nothing but the cumulative work done. The cumulative means that can be done with integration in mathematics. So for that first we have to calculate power. So power is equal to voltage multiplied by current. So for that we are deriving the expression for the voltage. So here from the voltage waveform we have to derive the voltage expression. The formula for slope is difference of y coordinates divided by difference of x coordinates. The difference of y coordinates is minus 2 and difference of y coordinates is 600 seconds. So here the slope is falling, that's why negative. So minus 1 by 300, that is slope. And this is a straight line. The equation for a straight line when a point and slope is given, that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So here x1 and y1 are 0, 12. So v of t, that is y axis, y minus y1. So y axis is v of t. So v of t minus y1 is 12 volts is equal to m. Slope we have calculated, that is minus 1 by 300, x minus x1. X is x axis is time axis, that's why t minus x1 is 0. So from this v of t is equal to minus t by 300 plus 12. So now we are substituting in the energy equation. So energy is given by integration of power with respect to time. So integral from 0 to 600, nothing but up to 10 minutes. 0 to 600 seconds. V of t expression is minus t by 300 plus 12 into I. I is 2 amperes because in the problem he has given a constant current of 2 amperes, that's why it is 2. So if we do the integration, integral x is equal to x square by 2, nothing but minus t square by 300 plus 12 into t, 0 to 600. We substitute the limits, we will get 13.2 kilojoules. So this is the answer. So this is the conventional method, and the another method is, so here the voltage waveform is given, then the area under the curve will gives us the power. So if you multiplied, so the area under the gives us the voltage. If you multiply that with the current and time, we will get the energy. So then energy is equal to integral v of t dt into I. So integral v of t dt is nothing but area under the curve, that is equal to, here we can divide this waveform into a rectangle and a triangle, right angle triangle. For triangle the area formula is half into base multiplied by height. So here half and the base is, that is equal to 2 and the height is 600 seconds plus the area of the rectangle is length into breadth, that is equal to 600 into 10. So likewise, our V of t into t, that is equal to our time, that is equal to our area under the curve, is equal to 6600 volt seconds, and the energy is equal to V of t into I of t into t. So this is multiplied with constant current of 2 amps, then we will get 13.2 kilojoules.